The world of artificial intelligence is witnessing unprecedented growth and innovation. OpenAI, a leader in AI research and development, has introduced a groundbreaking feature that allows ChatGPT users to directly invoke GPTs, specialized third-party applications powered by its AI models. This enhancement is aimed at enriching user interactions by integrating a wide range of functionalities directly within any chat session for its paid subscribers. It represents a significant leap forward in making AI more accessible and versatile for a variety of applications, from educational tools to productivity aids. In parallel, Kore.ai, a burgeoning startup specializing in conversational AI for enterprises, has successfully secured a substantial investment of $150 million. This financial injection underscores the continued interest and confidence in AI technologies, even as the broader tech sector faces economic uncertainties. Kore.ai's focus on developing sophisticated AI-driven communication solutions for businesses is indicative of the sector's potential for growth and the high demand for innovative AI applications in the enterprise world. These developments signal a robust and vibrant future for AI, with OpenAI and Kore.ai at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The advancements not only highlight the potential for AI to revolutionize various industries, but also reflect the growing trend of substantial investments in AI technologies. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to bring about transformative changes in how we live, work, and interact, reinforcing its role as a pivotal technology in the modern digital era.